Hi crafty friends, Shaky Bomb here, and I have another Dollar Tree haul. I did say in my last one, that was just a couple days ago, that I was gonna go after the 4th of July, because that's when they usually get, or mine gets back to school stuff out, and it had been really slow. I was only able to find a few things, but I went back today and they were just fully stocked. I might be missing a couple things, but I think I found all the things that I was looking for, or I think I was. So we are gonna get into it. First off are these collapsible totes. I really like these. They came out with these once before, but they were smaller. I think they were 6 by, they hold 6 by 6 pads, and they were like maybe 9 inches long, but this one is quite big. Let's see. Let me open this up. And I like the colors. These ones were $1.50. It said all plastics at mine are now $1.50. So all like the storage containers and stuff like that are now $1.50. So look at that. That's like if you're moving your crafty items or whatever to like different spots, like, you know, it's summertime, if you want to take it, I don't know, out on the patio and do some crafts, or just kind of whatever. You just gotta make sure you pop them into place, which I still need to, but it looks like they're about 12 inches by, I need to 7 something. Let's see, the inside dimension is 7. So the other ones from the past were, the inner dimension was only 6. But they weren't as tall either. And these are about 6.5 inches tall. They had this color and blue and gray, I think. I have seen white before in the past, which I do have, but it has stuff in it somewhere. So I was happy to find some more, because I was only able to find the one time. And I wasn't sure like how much bigger than the other one it was. They do even have bigger ones that I think are $5, but I'm happy with these. I got 2 of them. So yeah, these are fun. So I plan on putting like my to-go craft stuff. So like if I want to go to another room, if I want to go out to the living room, if I want to take my craft stuff outside, I can do that. And next I found these cool jelly pencil cases. Now, I don't know what I'm going to do. They had purple with a teal zipper, I think. I think there was blue with red. I don't know. There was a couple different colors. I picked one that was kind of aqua-y with pink. What I plan on doing, I don't think I'm going to use this as a pencil case. I think I'll probably end up taking this apart and just use the jelly material. I really want to try to use more like textures and materials in my crafting. So I have a couple things that I'll probably end up taking apart. I'll keep the zipper for something else, but I think that this could be really fun texture for like summer crafting, especially with like all the cool new summer dyes and stuff like that. So that is my idea for these. And they're a really cool texture, but look at, like, stuff is going to stick to them, so I probably won't use them as pencil cases. I got those. What else did I find? I found, if you're in the Groovy swap, I found these. So these are erasers, and these are sticky notes. I got multiples of each. But they're just really cute, and I think that they'll be fun to play with. I don't know. You could pop a hole in these and use these as charms or other things, but I thought that they were really cute. I really love the packaging as well. I think the packaging is really cute. And then I also found, yeah, here's more. I also found little keychains that matched, so I'm probably gonna utilize this, and in my dangle, whatever I make for the swap, put this at the bottom and have all my other charms, and I'll just hang them off of this because they'll all match. So got a couple of those. I think that's it for this box. Oh no, I got some pink tweezers, so I can gift these. Again, I use these almost every day in my crafting. Like, I think that they're perfect. this is probably my most used tool other than like scissors and stuff. I love using tweezers. I use them for everything. It doesn't even, I've even worn off the label, but I really like these. So I got, I found some pink ones. I have some green ones in my stash. These are a perfect little crafty gift to add into a swap. And then I found these. Look at these little nail stickers, but I will probably use them for crafting. I might use them as nail stickers, but they're so cute and they're just like little kind of coquette. So you get little loves, you get flowers, you get bows with cherries, and yeah, hearts. They're just, they're really cute. They're really adorable. You can use these like on keychains, like cold transfer on anything really, like any kind of embellishment you're doing, anything on acrylic, I don't know, with resin. Quite a few things you can do with them. Oh, there's my other set of tweezers. And then let's see what else I found. More back to school stuff. So we're gonna move this out of the way. I found this. Again, I will probably take this apart and utilize it in my crafting because it's just cool. I like the texture. I like both sides, the glossy side and like the matte side. Oh, it's already ripped. I didn't even realize that. I don't know if it was in my bag or not. But I have like used these in die cuts, and the die cuts will cut through them. I don't know, they got glitter all over that. This one's got glitter all over it. But I just wanted to utilize it as paper, so to say. I like doing that. I grabbed folders for the same purpose. Last year they had like a light pink and a light purple, like a lavender, that I've gotten, and I've utilized them in swaps, and they cut really nice with die cuts. This year the purple and the pink are a lot brighter. I like, these are the glossy ones. They do have the paper ones too that you can use, but I have like solid color papers. I like the glossiness of these. So I grabbed the pink and purple pack, and then this one has a teal and like a cobalt. And then I found, these are file folders. I plan on doing the same thing with them. You get 3 in a pack. I think only one side is got metallic on it, but I like using the file folders if you can find them, because you don't have to cut as much. Like when you're using folders, you have to cut out the pockets and stuff like that. But yeah, utilize what you got. So this will be a cool paper, and it's like a thick cardstock. So if you want something sturdy, you have that. I also got this pattern and this like rainbow ombre one. Oh, here's another folder that I will cut apart and just use this for the texture. So that is what I plan on doing with those. I've seen Leave It to Lisa's Crafts haul these, and I had to have them, so I got 2 of the pink. I think it's more the zipper. I think I almost want to take it apart and just utilize the zipper. I don't know, but they're really cool. So I got pink and I got green, because I'm a sucker for like that greeny yellow highlighter color. That's one of my favorite colors. I had hauled the pink boards, so I went back and got the green ones. Clipboards. They have a lot of these zipper pouches. Last year I got them. They're kind of like in a solid like neon colors, but then they have some iridescent ones. They had like a blue, a purple, and a pink, but I just got like just the plain-ish hollow. I don't know exactly what color this is, but I will probably cut this apart and utilize it as like, and make shakers or something like that. Oh, these are the colors, duh. So yeah, there's like a tealy green, a blue, a purple, and then this color. And yeah, I'm gonna end up cutting it up and like making shakers or something out of it. I'm not 100% sure, but that is my plan. I got more of these index dividers. I use these as acetate. I've used them in projects. If I did a 4th of July project and I used the blue acetate, as my windows in the 3D project, you can use this acetate in your shakers and you get multiple colors because you get all of these colors. So utilize what you got for $1.25. You get quite a few different colors of like these acetate folders that you can use. And I like them. And when I find them, I get them. Oh, there's another one of those sticky notes. I also got, these are the transparent sticky notes I picked up. They were just neon colors. I picked up the pink and the yellow. I picked up this notebook because I liked the pages. So I'll probably alter the front, but I really liked the edge of the pages for whatever reason. I don't know, but I liked it. This is one of the items I was looking for. So this is just like a silicone crayon pouch. They had pink, purple, and yellow or orange. I didn't get the pink because it was like a dark fuchsia pink, almost like between a pink and a red. I picked up the blue because it was the most vibrant color. I don't know exactly what I'm going to do with this. So I only got one, but they were cute and I had to have it. Yeah, I'm not quite sure exactly what I'm going to do with it, but it's freaking adorable. So I had to have it. And then lastly, I got this to put on my desk just to kind of like organize myself. So I mean, I have like a swap tracker and stuff like that for my paper crafts, but I thought that this would be nice because I could put like what swap I'm working on, all my requirements, and I can kind of check them off and like, you know, what date it's due, and I can just like rip it off and go like on to the next. So this is like I have my swap tracker to keep track of everything. But as I'm working on stuff, I think that this would be nice instead of having a big, because I have it in like a big 3-ring binder on my desk. I think that this would be nice. So I picked this up. I thought it was cute. So that's all I was able to find. I think that there's just a couple more things that I was on the lookout for. If I find, I find. But I feel like I found most of the items I really wanted. So happy hunting. And the school stuff, like, don't sit on it because it will go fast. Or in my area, the school supplies always go super fast. I think school starts here the second week in August. But they were already starting to get like, you know, picked over. So if there's like certain colors you're looking for or like viral items, if you don't find them now, you probably won't find them again. So happy hunting, and I hope you guys find everything that you're looking for.